So it's Black Glove Maintenance Day. More of these coming your way. Black Glove Maintenance Day. We got a little bit of work to do today. We had some tire issues, not tire, axle or brake, don't really know. Geared up the axles and a little less squeaking, but we're gonna have to get those checked out. Also got to fix this bike rack. It's shaking when we're driving a little bit too much. But just want to let y'all see the workload on the side of the road. This is how it goes out here RVing. Love it, and it's just different from having a garage. You make your garage in an empty parking lot at a mall. We're in Vero Beach right now, so y'all get ready. You're gonna see some wine, probably some crackers, some cheese, some jazz. It's gonna be fun the next 2 days. And then we're headed to a preserve for a whole week. Hopefully we get this tire issue fixed Monday. We found a Liberty Max dealer out here, and I hope they do warranty work on packing these bearings, because I think that's what needs to get done. Or the brakes need to be checked. I don't know. I mean, we're not that far, only a week or so into our trip. But you know, you have these little issues when you're pulling a house and your car, and we've had multiple issues. Past 6 months. I'm going to show y'all some hassles on the road. We're starting to have some tire problems. This wheel right here is doing a lot of squeaking when I'm driving, and so I called a bunch of places today, and it's Saturday. We're in like Vero Beach, Florida area, and a lot of places they close at 1. So the nice guy over at the Walmart Auto Center kind of gave me a rundown and said I probably needed to grease my axle. It looked a little dry, and so show y'all. Let me spin this around for you. I'm gonna show y'all, if I can get this off, what we're working with this tire. I had to buy a grease gun. I now have 3 grease guns. I forgot to bring mine when we left Georgia. But I loaded that puppy up with grease, and we're still getting some squeaking. So I'm thinking it's the brakes. I had the trailer set on 3.0 on the brake assist in the truck. I usually had it at 2.5, but almost seems overkill. But I'm gonna have to get this looked at. We found a Liberty Max authorized dealer down here. Hopefully they can do the warranty work. Just to maybe repack the bearings or check the brake drums, something like that. This is a tire package we put on here. It's an extra 3-inch lift. For some reason, I mean, we haven't gone but 1,000 miles, and running into issues is how it is on the road. You run into these things. You have to take it Godspeed. But you can see like there's brake dust. Here, I'll just show you. You see how it is in the sun? Watch this. Whoop. You see how clean that's supposed to be? Right there. But we're gonna have to stick around this neck of the woods until Monday just to get over to that shop and get this fixed, because I want this fixed before we keep moving forward, because we're about to go south across the Everglades and then over towards Tampa. So right now we're just pulled over, and I'm gonna check the tires and everything, but just want to give y'all an idea of how it is out here on the road with all the gear. So another issue we're having with this bike rack, and this has been repetitive. See that hairline crack there? This is bouncing too much for my liking. So when we're driving, these bikes are shaking around too much because this bolt is not staying tight. So I'm gonna repair that right now, basically. And you're gonna watch me repair it. Can't even get them to unlock. There. By the way, this Christmas gift, shout out, magnet. Check this out. Magnet. It has been on here the entire drive. It's great. We use this to light up outside of those lights at night that are motion censored. That's a cool puppy. That's a cool toy. But yeah, so this is tightened up a little bit more. Put the bikes back on. Keep moving. Another thing was this grill. Oh boy! Wait till y'all hear about that story. This quick connect over here. They make this very small, and so with that, it's regulated already at the propane tank. Which this Weber grill has a regulator on it. You can't have a regulator from this propane tank going to the regulator to that. You won't even have a flame you can cook on. You're just gonna have to run it and cook the grill in the tailgate instead of using that quick connect, which is a shame because it was just pretty slick. But I'd had about 6 different stores looking for that part. So I knew these things were on the road. The maintenance and stuff was all gonna be there. This is nothing really new for me with this thing. But, you know, it's just little inconveniences when you're booking reservations and stuff like this. Some of the stuff you have to take care of. And I just want to give y'all a heads up on everything about getting down here. Just be prepared. You better have your tools ready and be willing to do stuff in parking lots and on your own. And do what you got to do to get everything done. And go with peace of mind. And don't let it ruin your day. And just knock it out. The good thing is I know how to do a lot of this stuff. And if I don't, I can find the answer. I'm really good at finding the answer if I don't know the answer. And anyways, we're going to be showing y'all this winery tonight. It looks amazing. Outside patio. There's going to be live bluegrass jazz band tonight. I already talked to the owner there, Alan, over the phone. And they're going to let us stay there, of course, for free. And buy some wine and socialize. It's dog friendly. It's still going to be promising y'all more videos. I know you're probably watching this. This is probably going to be in the 4th or 5th video that we do put out. We only have 1 out right now. But YouTube is also not cooperating by uploading our videos in high def. I record it in high def. I edit it in high def. I render it in high def. I queue it in high def. When I publish it on YouTube, it's all fuzzy. And it's driving me crazy. I don't want to put all this stuff out there and it be fuzzy. So hopefully when you're watching this video, it will be in high def. But just realize that's what was the slow start for all this. Anyhow, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. So Amelia is getting jacked up. See what is going on with the rotation on this tire. We were at Firestone. They're the first ones that were able to wake up this morning and help us. But we're going to get this squeaky wheel looked at. Something rubbing. We're gonna see.
Get out the inside.
Sure. No, man. So what they are telling me is actually when we first lost the tire on this little guy, the lug bolt dropped, we were in PC and it flattened a little spot on the drum. So it's just the drum running against the shoe well a little bit, but no bearing issues, no axle issues. It's really just annoying noise, but we spun the tire and it seems like it's going to work out. So that's good news. Not a lot of money to be spent here, just have to deal with it, but for now we should be good. Okay, so Amelia is pulled over. We have the tire brake / axle check that passed It is just a flattened little spot in the drum from when we did lose this tire about 4 months ago. Apple Industrial Supply, True Value near Vero Beach just helped me out getting some new bolts on Black Glove Maintenance Friday, and this is gonna fix that. And 25 cents. So thank you. Next is propane. Done. Next. This is a Flying J High Five. We got our propane filled, 11 bucks with our Good Sam's. So we have tire checked, bolts checked, and new nuts bought for the bolts. Propane filled. Next is the grocery store, and we're boondocking for a week at an equestrian center. Alrighty, take it easy.